Dear students, today we shall learn voice change or describing a process. What is voice? Voice is the form of verb which indicates whether the subject does the work or something has been done to it. There are three types of voices, mainly in exam. Two types you have to learn. Number one, first type is active voice, when the subject of a sentence is the doer or actor, and then passive voice when the object is the taking the position of subject. Here the subject is passive. Let us take an example. Monica opened the door. Passive, the door was opened by Monica. You followed the change in verb. Main verb was opened, and in passive form was verb to be, and open is the third form here. It is not the present second form of verb, that is open, opened, opened. Third form is also opened. So the door was opened by Monica. Next, I would like to give you the different verb forms or verb patterns of passive voice. Here you are getting simple present and simple past. In simple present, verb to be am, is, are, was, were. Was, were is past and am, is, are is present. And next, third form of verb should be caught, killed, done, told and cured. Next come continuous. Continuous, am, is, are present, was, were past, being should be incorporated, and then all those verbs, third form of verbs should be followed. In perfect, you get have or has, and in past it is had. Next been, and then third form of verb, that is boiled, arrested and bought. If you take future, then you are getting shall or will, after that be, then built or taught. It is the third form of verb. So this is the rule of verb that is to be changed in passive form. Now let us take some live examples. I do the work. The work is done by me. Leela types a letter. A letter is typed by Leela. Boltu helped her. She was helped by Boltu or Biltu. Reba is singing a song. A song is being sung by Reba. Follow, being is here because of singing. She was singing a song. It is past continuous. A song was being sung by her. He has called me. I have been called by him. It is present perfect. They had seen the picture. The picture had been seen by them. It is past perfect. You will play football. Football will be played by you. Future indefinite. She would sing a song. A song would be sung by her. You can call it conditional verb form. She would have read the book. The book would have been read by her. Besides all this, you must follow that the change in past tense also. When you are getting see, and it is the nominative case, so you are getting her, that is the objective case. In this way, verb change and as well as the change of person also to be followed in passive.